Hey everyone, a world where managing your finances is as easy as checking your phone. No more piles of bills, no more late payments, and no more stress. Sound too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what Rocket Money aims to do. But have you ever wondered who's behind this financial superhero app? Let's find out. Hook. You've probably heard of Rocket Money, the app that's revolutionizing personal finance. But have you ever stopped to think about who's pulling the strings behind the curtain? Who's the mastermind behind this financial game changer? Well, today, we're going to dive deep into the mystery of Rocket Money's ownership. Building context. Before we get to the big reveal, let's take a quick look at what Rocket Money actually does. For those who are unfamiliar, Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps users manage their finances more effectively. It offers features like bill negotiation, credit monitoring, and budgeting tools. It's basically a financial assistant that lives in your pocket. The mystery deepens. So, who's the genius behind this incredible app? Well, that's where the mystery begins. Unlike many other tech companies, Rocket Money has been relatively secretive about its ownership. There have been rumors and speculations, but no official announcement. Theories and speculations. One of the most popular theories is that Rocket Money is owned by a group of anonymous investors. This theory suggests that a group of wealthy individuals, perhaps venture capitalists, came together to create the app. The anonymity could be a strategy to avoid unwanted attention and maintain a focus on the product. Another theory is that Rocket Money is owned by a larger financial institution. Some people believe that a bank or credit card company might be behind the app. This theory suggests that the company is using Rocket Money as a way to acquire new customers and promote their financial products. The search for answers. Despite these theories, there's still no definitive answer to the question of who owns Rocket Money. The company has been tight-lipped about its ownership, and there have been no official statements. Many people have tried to uncover the truth, but their efforts have been met with silence. A peek behind the curtain. While we can't provide a definitive answer to the question of Rocket Money's ownership, we can offer a few clues. First, the app's focus on personal finance suggests that the owners have a deep understanding of the financial industry. Second, the app's user-friendly interface and innovative features indicate that the owners are committed to creating a high-quality product. The future of Rocket Money. Regardless of who owns Rocket Money, the app's future looks bright. It's already gained a loyal following and has the potential to become a household name. As the company continues to grow and expand its features, it's likely that we'll learn more about its ownership. Conclusion. So, who owns Rocket Money? Unfortunately, that remains a mystery. But one thing is certain, Rocket Money is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. Whether it's owned by a group of anonymous investors, a financial institution, or someone else entirely, the app's impact on personal finance is undeniable. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, keep managing your money wisely.